Question number 4. Charles Lamb is best known as the author of Essay Ophelia, Tales from Shakespeare, Blank Verse, Sonnets. Question number 4. And the right answer is Tales from Shakespeare. Tales from Shakespeare. Now question number 5. When did Irish poet W. B. Yeats received the Nobel Prize? When did Irish poet W. B. Yeats, William Butler Yeats, received the Nobel Prize? 1920, 1925, 1923, none of these. Question number 5. And the right answer is 1923. Shakespeare's Venus and Adonis is addressed to whom? Shakespeare's Venus and Adonis is addressed to whom? East of Southampton, Earl of Surrey, Earl of Leicester, none of these. Question number 6. And the right answer is A. Right answer is A. Right answer is A. East of Southampton. What does Adonis do in the poem Venus and Adonis? What does Adonis do in the poem Venus and Adonis? Question number 7. Musician, hunter, poet, none of these. And the right answer is hunter, shikari. Question number 8. Blow, blow the winter wind, is as you like it. It is sung by witches, Ariel, Rosalind, Viola. And the right answer is Ariel, by Ariel. By Ariel. Question number 9. Who is mourned in the poem "Oh Captain" by Walt Whitman? Oh Captain, my Captain. This was the poem by Walt Whitman. So who is mourned in the poem? George Washington, Lincoln, Emerson, Sydney. What is the right answer? Important question. Important question. Who is mourned? Question number 9. Lincoln. This is about Lincoln. And now question number 10. What is the theme of Milton's Areopagitica? Areopagitica. Lyric, sonnet, a plea for the freedom of praise, or epic? What is the right answer? And the right answer is a plea for the freedom of praise. A plea for the freedom of praise. Question number 11 now. Who was Tennyson's friend on whose death in memoriam was composed? Shelley, Byron, Henry Hallam, Keats. And the right answer is Henry Hallam. C. Henry Hallam. C. Now question number 12. Charles Lamb wrote blank verse, novels, essays of Ophelia, none of these. Question number 12. And the right answer is Essays of Elia. Essays of Elia. Question number 13. Robert Frost's This is Robert. This is R, you know. This is Robert. R. Robert. Robert Frost stopping by the Woods on a snowy evening has been taken from which volume of poems mentions below? North of Boston, Mountain Interval, From Snow to Snow, New Hampshire. Very important question. The right answer is New Hampshire. New Hampshire. And question number 14. I'm a man who, sauntering along without fully stopping, turns a casual look upon you and then averts his gaze, leaving it to you to prove and define it, expecting the main things from you. The lines are from the which poem of Walt Whitman? Walt Whitman. A Sight in Camp, The Noiseless Peasant Spider, Poets to Come, The Wound Dresser. What is the right answer? And the right answer is C, Poets to Come. Right answer is C, Poets to Come. And now question number 15. William Wordsworth was a classical poet, metaphysical poet, romantic poet, or new classical? Question number 15. And the right answer is romantic poet. See, you know there are 6 poets in romantic era, and I have stated many times before it. So William Wordsworth was also romantic era poet. So he was a romantic poet, you know. And now question number 16. The Tarja Rima is a stanza of. Tarja Rima is a stanza of 4 lines, 5 lines, 3 lines, or 6 lines. What is right answer? And the right answer will be 3 lines. Tarja Rima. Tarja 3. You call tertiary, Tarja 3, Tarja Rima 3 lines. William Shakespeare was born on 23rd April 1564. Which is right answer? It has been told you before. And the right answer is B, 23rd April 1564. And he was died in 1616. Died in 1616. Question number 18. Shakespeare was born at the Paris, Stratford-on-Avon, London in Summerfield, Wessex, none of these. So right answer is Stratford-on-Avon. A option is right. Question number 18. Right answer is Stratford-on-Avon, A. Question number 19. Which of the following novels of Dickens was unfinished? Which of the following novels of Dickens was unfinished? First option, A Tale of Two Cities, Oliver Twist, The Mystery of Edwin Drood, Bleak House. So what may be right answer? Right answer C, The Mystery of Edwin Drood. This was unfinished. The Mystery of Edwin Drood. And now last question of today, question number 20. Who wrote Sohrab and Rustam? Sohrab and Rustam. Very good question. Sohrab and Rustam. And the right answer is Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold wrote Sohrab and Rustam. So friends, we have tried something today also, and you enjoyed it. I can hope. So once again I want to inform you that our offline batches for TGT and PGT for all subjects will be held from 26 November 2020 here at the channel of Udan the Fly near Lakshmi Chauraha and next to Patanjali in Allahabad. So come and join us immediately and get first, be first. So thank you my friends, all the best.